Something that's interesting is actually, I just looked at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is also starting to spike up. Ethereum Classic also starting to spike up. Wow, Ethereum Classic is really going. Holy shit. Congratulations to whoever got in on that. Yeah, I'm really starting to get bullish, man. Look, it's very similar to last year, March 25th. We started a rally, 44%. We're up 82% on Ethereum Classic. Well, I don't have shit, but whoever has it. Um, the weekly, I like the MACD. Whoever, I forget who showed this to me, but somebody showed it to me on the live stream. I'm starting to like it. Look, we're getting the bullish cross. It's turning green. We're moving up. If you look at Dogecoin, it's doing the same thing. Dogecoin is starting to curl up. Weekly MACD has been printing light red. It's about to flip bullish for the first time since April of 2021. So, what do all of these coins have in common? They're all 2017 dinosaurs that topped out in May, and they've been going down for 46 weeks. So, don't be surprised if Dogecoin actually does have a move fairly shortly. I do think I do think April is changing, or how the fuck do I word this? I do think April is going to be extremely bullish, and we're seeing it now with the dinosaur coins. They're starting to curl higher. Zcash was another one. Weekly MACD has already been green. It just broke to the upside. So some of these altcoins have basically completed a 2018 style bear market, while Bitcoin has just been going sideways. So I do think this week and next week are going to be the last weeks, and then we go green in April. You can see the weekly MACD is basically almost green at this point. We're on the last or second to last red bar. It's also about to flip bullish. Looking at Ethereum. Oh, I don't want to go too far into the video without getting that back. Let's look at Dash as another one. Just flipped bullish as well. So Dash is probably going to have a big move to the upside. All of these 2017 Dino coins, Ethereum still has a little ways to go before the MACD turns bullish, but it is starting to curl higher. Sandbox isn't a 2017 coin. Let's check XRP actually. XRP as well, starting to print green on the MACD weekly. So some of these 2017 coins, they really do not look bad at all. This looks like a clean W type of move where it's going to continue to the upside. So it's definitely something that I'm going to be watching, but mainly Dogecoin because basically everybody who doesn't own a TradingView account, which I don't even think I have one, or I don't think I'm signed in. I guess what I'm trying to say is like the average Joe, they're probably going to be buying your Robinhood coins, Doge, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Doge. I think even Litecoin actually is moving up a little bit. So these are the 2017 dinosaur coins. Yeah, even Litecoin is starting to print. The MACD is about to flip just like it did back here. So there was still a move to the upside. So I just wanted to point out that it does look like the 2017 coins, and I'm sure there's a bevy of other coins as well, but the ones that I'm really focusing on are the 2017 coins because Ethereum Classic is having its monster move right now. MACD flipped bullish. We've been looking at Ethereum Classic for a couple of weeks now, saying, look, it's gone through 45-week downtrend. Very similar move back here where it went down for 52 weeks when it topped out in December 25th. If you want to argue this one in February, you can say 43 weeks. So you could argue that Ethereum Classic had gone through a 2018 bear market. Look, 47 weeks this thing's been going down. 45 weeks. From the last peak, it went down for 42 weeks. So you guys get the idea that I'm trying to point out is the old coins had already gone through a 2018 style bear market. So for something like this to continue going down, I just don't see it. I think April is going to be exceptionally bullish. I think Ethereum Classic is definitely one of the coins that I would personally be holding. I want to buy it, but I have Dogelant Mars, so I'm just going to stay in. I mean, look at the volume. the volume that's coming in on Ethereum Classic is matching the peak in November. So I'd say if we blow through this 44K, or if we blow through $44 on Ethereum Classic, I would say, yeah, I would say we're going, man. I think April is going to be crazy. I think we might even see $100 Ethereum Classic pretty soon. I know it sounds bizarre and it sounds nuts, but I've tried to make the argument over the past couple of weeks that I still think we're bullish. Now, again, without any kind of moon boy or any kind of bullshit, until Bitcoin breaks over 45, basically 45K. I'm tired of saying 44E because there's too many syllables. 45K. Once we break over 45K, there's no going back, in my opinion. I think there's going to be a big ass candle that spawns in. There's going to be altcoins flying all over the place. But until then, we cannot start screaming moon. So that means we can move down to 38, wherever it's going to be. But 45K is the price to watch, in my opinion. And it's just that the 2017 coins are starting to move now. And I just wanted to point that out in case people weren't paying attention, that they have already gone through a 2018 style bear market, and their MACDs are starting to flip bullish. So it looks like Ethereum Classic is going to be a leading indicator for what we're going to do on the 2017 coins. Bitcoin Cash is now catching up as well. It's having a pretty decent move from the low. It looks like it's up 36%, so maybe even 420 on Bitcoin Cash. But all in all, like I said, I just wanted to point out that the 2017 coins are starting to curl up. So that's pretty much it. Just my opinion, obviously. None of this is financial advice. The S&P 500 is just ripping right now, which again, I said it this morning. I'm surprised that it's moving this high. So from the original bear theory that we had, this was the only thing that was alarming to me. I believe it was this. So just like 45K on Bitcoin, SPY over 457, there is no bearish argument. Once SPY breaks over 457, in my opinion, there is no argument. Like, this is the highest we can go and still move down. I do not think this happens, but technically speaking, it is on the table. I just don't think it happens. So SPY over 458 is when I turn into a moon boy, like full-blown fucking moon boy, screaming at the top of my lungs. Same thing with Bitcoin over 45K. Until then, we still have bearish turbulence to deal with. So again, it's just my opinion. None of this is financial advice. I still think there's going to be a small drop coming sometime in the next couple of days, and then after that, we'll assess the situation. But I just wanted to highlight that the 2017 coins are curling up. So that's pretty much it. Again, just my opinion. None of this is financial advice.